So let's have a little bit of a look here on the on some of the news on this Thursday, and it seems Ripple is stepping up plans here to replace the SWIFT banking network, and this is something that we mentioned before, that there's actually might be some big use for Ripple and in a SWIFT kind of sense. They're saying here that SWIFT said that not long ago that they didn't see blockchain as a solution to correspondent banking, but we got well over 100 of their customers saying they disagree. So there might actually be some good use for this. And if we continue on that note, you also have here they partner with the Malaysian Universal Bank CIMB group to expand the Ripple net. This partnership will enable instant cross-border payments across various markets. And they're also saying here that this innovative blockchain solution will revolutionize international cross-border remittances and is a testament to CIMB's ongoing efforts to enhance its digital banking proposition by providing speedy and cost-efficient solutions to our customers across Asia. And now, by integrating Ripple's blockchain technology, they will enable their customers to send vital funds to family, friends, and loved ones more efficiently. And this is, of course, something important that also maybe in some regions where it's complicated for people to maybe go into a bank or something and send amounts to family and friends. So this will certainly speed up this process. The only thing is that Ripple has so many coins or so many coins outstanding. It's in the billions. So maybe it's good for the technology, but as an investor, okay, maybe you have to look at it and say, okay, it's not going to shoot up to $100 because of the amounts they have outstanding. I think it's like over 30 billion compared to Bitcoin, which has 21 million only, and other projects as well, which has maybe 50 to 100 million coins outstanding. What else do we have here? Spanish telecom operator partners with IBM to manage international calls with blockchain. So it is Telefonica and IBM. They're saying here that they're going to apply blockchain technology to manage international mobile phone call traffic. And this was released yesterday, I guess, but it's still pretty fresh news. And there are more areas as well, healthcare sector, and in Vietnam and South Korea, of course. They're also in the forefront with this kind of technology. But in Spain, it seems they're kind of testing it out for some little projects. And Binance, of course, they're saying now they're going to launch like a research division. So it's a new pillar of the Binance ecosystem focused on the creation of institutional grade research reports. This is they're certainly in the forefront. So that they expect some institutional money to come in soon. They smell the institutional money coming, laying the groundwork to welcome it, and it anticipates a larger number of investors and would increase their allocation to cryptocurrencies in days to come. So this is certainly seems to be positive for the space as well, and we'll just have to see what the price is not agreeing at the moment, but at least the technology is being used. BBVA, they complete 150 million syndicate loan on blockchain, and they're saying here that this is proof that the distributed ledger technology could transform syndicated loan business, and also shortening the time from about 2 weeks to between 24 and 48 hours. So great